Good evening, everyone. Wish you all a Merry Christmas. Hello. Good evening. Am I audible? Wish you all a Merry Christmas. Firstly, from Shalli's. Good evening. I'm Chef Sharwari Gokhale, back with Amul today on Christmas Day. I must say late evening. Thank you all for joining me today. And I would firstly again wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And in advance, wish you all a very Happy New Year too. What we are going to do here today is we are going to learn how to make a strawberry mousse. Since you all know strawberries are in season, alright, so I have this sample of strawberry mousse, alright, which I have set it today morning in a glass, and I will show you how to make this mousse. Now, what is a mousse? Does anybody know what's a mousse? We can have 1 minute for everyone to answer, those who are here. Does anyone know what's a mousse? Any idea? Okay, let me tell you all. Firstly, mousse is a French dessert where it is made with egg whites. Okay, the base is egg whites. Alright, but here today what we are going to do is we are going to make an eggless mousse. Alright, it is a very easy recipe. Alright, and what we are going to do here is I will just show you the ingredients. We don't require too many ingredients for this. The reason why I am showing you an eggless mousse is because it is firstly a very easy recipe. Secondly, if you have last minute guests at home coming in, then this can be done within 1 hour and it will set very quickly. There are few magic ingredients in this. I will show you the ingredients. This is Amul fresh cream. Okay, this is 100 ml fresh cream. Then we have this dark compound, alright, which is white chocolate, alright, it has cocoa solids also, so it's a very nice chocolate. And we have this whipping cream, alright, that is again 100 grams. So if you see, it's 100 ml fresh cream, 100 grams of white chocolate and whipping cream of 100 grams. And these are fresh strawberries. I am very lucky today. My husband went to Mahabaleshwar with his friends. So on his way back, he brought me some beautiful strawberries. Alright. So what we are going to do here is I have sliced the few strawberries and put them on the rim of the glass. We can do it the same way. Alright. So that we will show you later. Firstly, I will tell you what is the base of making this eggless mousse. The base is white chocolate ganache. Okay, now what is a ganache? Ganache is a truffle. Okay, a French name for truffle. Truffle is basically a mixture of fresh cream and chocolate. It can be any chocolate, white chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever chocolate. I'm using this white chocolate here is because it shouldn't, give a bad color to the mousse also, because these are red plum strawberries if you see. Okay, so if you put dark chocolate, it may not look nice. The mousse will look very cloudy. So I want a very nice clear textured mousse. Alright. So here we are doing something known as ganache. Alright. What I am going to do is I am going to boil this cream. If you don't have induction and if you want to use a microwave, that's absolutely fine. You can also use a microwave. In a microwave, you boil the cream first and then add the chocolate in it. Alright, and then keep stirring it at regular intervals. Once it becomes a homogeneous mixture, then your truffle is done. The base is ready. You have to be very careful while boiling this cream on a gas top or an induction top. It shouldn't burn. So you have to continuously keep stirring it, otherwise it will burn and catch at the bottom. Any questions till now?
So you directly put it on a flame, or you use something like a double boiler? Or
No, you can directly, this is a cooking cream, so you can directly put it on the flame, but the flame shouldn't be very, very high. If you see the induction setting also, it is not on a very high speed. It is at just 3.5. Okay.
You can feel free to ask questions. Since I am recording, I'll pass on your questions to Chef Sharwari.
So the cream will boil eventually.
So you have to keep on constantly stirring.
We have to keep stirring it, otherwise what will happen is it will burn at the bottom.
So that takes how much minutes?
Around 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. Once you get a hang of it, definitely you can increase the speed of the induction, or but not of the gas range. Gas range has to be on a slow speed only. So you see now, the color change also happens. The cream becomes slightly dark. Okay, that's when it starts boiling. If you just see, it's getting to that stage where it is going to boil. We see some fumes coming in from the pan now. Okay, so another 1 minute and we are done boiling the cream.
So viewers might not be able to see the steam coming off because of the camera, but I am able to see those. So basically you can feel out steam coming from.
You can get the warmth from the cream also. Alright, so here I am going to stop the thing now and just pour this over the chocolate. And just keep stirring this now.
So we have one question.
Right.
How many minutes, seconds can we put cream in microwave?
For microwave, you have to put it for 30 seconds. Then stir it once, then again for another 30 seconds. Because this quantity is very less. If you take around a liter of cream, then it can go for 2 minutes at one time. And then later, you add the chocolate chunks into it. So here I am just stirring the chocolate and the cream together till it becomes a homogeneous mixture. So this process, you can just leave the chocolate truffle to happen on its own. What we'll do is we'll just cover it up for 2 to 3 minutes and then start with our next step, where what we are going to do is we are going to whip the cream. Alright, now this is a whipping cream. Alright, and now I have this hand blender. Okay, if you don't have it at home, then you can just whisk it with a spoon also. It will take a bit of more time, spoon or a fork, but it will eventually happen. Okay, on a slow speed.
You whisk it for how much minutes?
2 to 3 minutes. slow speed if you're using a hand blender, because this machine friction causes the cream to split sometimes. So you cannot put it on a high speed, especially when the quantity is so less.
Viewers, any question?
Okay, so we have done whipping the cream. Okay, it can't be too stiff also. Alright, it has to be something like a snow which falls down. Alright, it can't be too thick. Alright. Can you just put this in the refrigerator? We'll have to just let it be in the refrigerator for 5 minutes.
So keeping in fridge is necessary?
Yes, it's always better that way, because what we are going to do is we are going to blend the chocolate truffle and the whipping cream together. Alright?
Yeah.
So and sometimes strawberries, if they are sour, they may split the cream. So because we have worked it up with the machine, so the friction causes heat in the cream. So definitely it's always better to put it in the refrigerator for some time.
Another question, any alternate of whipping cream?
You can use fresh cream, but it becomes very, very heavy. Alright? It becomes heavy because whipping cream has a lot of fat in it. Alright? The fresh cream that we are going to use for making truffle, if you use the same fresh cream, it tends to become a bit greasy. Alright? That's why we are using this whipping cream. It has slightly less fat content compared to the fresh cream.
But otherwise you can use a fresh cream.
Yes, we can use fresh cream, but also sometimes what happens is it becomes less sweeter, because strawberries are sweet and sour. Alright, it comes in a combination pack. So sometimes if the mousse is not very sweet, people may not like it. That's why we use the fresh cream and the whipping cream combination. But if you're making a mango mousse or a mousse which the fruit is very, very sweet, then definitely you can use the fresh cream instead. Now what is here? If you see, there are some lumps of chocolate left, right? So how do we balance this? How do we mix it now? Any idea? Either what you can do is you can take this same pan, alright, fill some water in it for double boiler and put this bowl inside it, okay? Or if you have a microwave, then just put this inside the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, we'll do that. We'll put that in the microwave for 30 seconds and it will turn into a homogeneous mixture. Till then, what we are going to do here is, we are going to take these strawberries, alright. We are going to take these strawberries into these glass bowls. We are going to arrange these strawberries, okay. We can let it be inside only, no problem. So these strawberries, we can just slice them. The side portions, we can keep them for the mousse filling. These slices, we can just arrange them on the bottom of our glass bowls like this. Okay. Same way like we did for the glass. Okay. So these, the quantity of strawberry is around 30 grams, 30 to 35 grams. If like more chunks of strawberry, definitely we can increase the quantity of strawberry also. So we can just arrange these strawberries at the bottom of our glass bowl. You can put it in a big bowl also if you want. If you don't want to, make individual glasses, then you can take a big bowl and then just put it. And then these leftover strawberries, I'll take another one or two. Okay, you can just roughly chop them. Many people may have the question why we are not, putting any kind of artificial flavor or color in this. There is no need. When you have these beautiful fresh fruit along, then you don't need to put any artificial color or flavor. The mousse will remain white and you won't have any kind of, allergies or anything related to it. Some people have that food color allergy also. So it's always better to use these fresh ingredients. Nicely chop the strawberry. So we'll just check the truffle now. What's its state? Alright. So you're good? Yeah. So we just keep stirring this so that it cools down and blends together with the cream and the chocolate. Alright. So you see the chocolate and the cream has blended well together. In this we are going to add the chopped strawberry. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to mix it all together. The whipped cream that we have put in the refrigerator with this chocolate truffle and the chopped strawberry, which is a mixture. So we'll get the whipping cream out now from the refrigerator.
So we have one question. Can
Yeah.
we use any other fruit or cocktail of fruits as the base of the mousse in white?
Yes, only thing you have to remember that the fruits, if you're using a cocktail of fruits, then those fruits should blend well with each other also. Like if you're taking all mixed berries, then that will also go well with this. Okay, any pulpy fruit, then only pulpy fruit. You cannot take a crunchy fruit and a pulpy fruit together, otherwise it will not taste nice. If you're taking apples, then you have to cook the apples. Alright. Always remember, you have to pour the liquid over the solid, which means that this truffle is liquid state and the whipped cream is in a solid state. Okay. Then only we can blend the two mixtures properly. Otherwise, if you put the cream along with the truffle in an ulta way, then it's not going to mix, it will curdle. So this is ready. Alright, very gently we have to cut and fold. We cannot keep stirring it. We have to just cut and fold very gently because there is aeration in the whipped cream. We don't want to lose it. Alright, because this is an eggless mousse. Eggless mousse slightly becomes denser. because there is no egg white in it. Egg white gives that lightness and fluffiness to a mousse. Alright, but we are replacing that with white chocolate truffle. So it's going to be slightly denser compared to a regular egg mousse. But this is a beautiful way of making a mousse. Alright, and we can just put it in those cups or the bowls that we have arranged the strawberry in. Very gently. Not too big portions, because at midnight it's better to eat less. One of my uncle was asking me, why do you want to, cook something at the midnight? Why don't you go and sleep? So I just told him, uncle, you are very old now. It is called midnight binge. Okay? And it's especially weekend, Christmas time. So people love to binge now. So our mousse is done. We just have to refrigerate it for another 15-20 minutes and it will set slowly. If you have time, then definitely 1 or 2 hours is also good. But it will set very quickly because it has truffle in it. Alright. And if you want to garnish it, then we have some strawberries here. After setting, we have to put these strawberries. I'll just show you how you can put them directly now. You can just place them this way. Voila, you're done. Okay, so that's your quick fix strawberry mousse. I'll just quickly recap the recipe if we have time.
We have 5 minutes.
We have 5 minutes, lovely. So what we have done here is we have made an eggless mousse. So we have these strawberries, beautiful strawberries, farm fresh from Mahaveshwar. I'm very lucky today. Okay, so what we are going to do is, since we are making an eggless mousse, we need to make some base out of it. Alright, so we are taking Amul fresh cream 100 ml, 100 grams of white chocolate and 100 ml of whipping cream. Firstly, what we did is we made a white chocolate truffle where we boiled the cream and mixed it with white chocolate chunks. Okay, later what we did is we allowed the chocolate truffle to rest for some time so that it comes down to certain temperature where it will mix with the whipped cream, and then later we added the strawberry chunks into the white chocolate truffle when it cooled down a bit, and then later we blended all these 3 ingredients together: the white chocolate mixture, the strawberries and the whipped cream. Alright, this is your strawberry mousse. You can replace it with all the fruits that we want. Okay, it will taste yum, and better not to use any kind of artificial color or flavor. We are blessed, we have beautiful fruits coming in our country, so why don't we make the use of it? Alright, thank you very much again everyone, and wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance from me. Thank you so much. Good night.